how to activate Comerica Debit Card. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how to activate Comerica Debit Card. So there are actually three different ways to activate Comerica Debit Card. If you are using phone, so if you follow the phone method, so you can basically call this mentioned number over here or use the Comerica mobile app or website. And if you are using this calling method, then just follow the voice prompts to activate your card. You may need to provide your card number, personal information, and possibly a security code. And if you're doing this via a Comerica mobile app, just download and open the Comerica mobile app and just log into your account. And just navigate to the debit card management section. This may vary, but look for options like cards or debit cards. And once you locate the such options, follow the prompts to activate your card from over there. And similarly, if you are using it as an ATM, just locate the Comerica ATM or MoneyPass ATM, insert your card into the ATM and follow the on-screen prompts to activate your card and set your PIN. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.